Bob, I tell you what, I enjoyed the rain. I did. After the summer.
It was a nice break.
Yeah, I don't think it was that bad.
But I'm ready for this to dry out because these temperatures are going to be perfect for doing anything outdoors.
Oh, yeah.
And I think it won't be long before they do, before everything dries out.
I think everyone's ready for that too after the smoke, ready to go outside again.
And it was kind of hot too, you know. It was unbearably hot, but I'm ready for some fall-like temperatures. Areas of some morning fog possibility. That fog is returning. Turning sunny once that fog burns off in some locations, and some seasonable temperatures pretty much all week long. Here's our current radar view. We have a few showers in eastern Idaho, but for the most part, things are winding down here in the southwestern portion of the state. Right now, a little bit of glistening from the pavement out there, but it's starting to dry out. 48 degrees, winds at 6 miles per hour, humidity at 93%. Here's some temperatures across our region. McCall has dropped down into the 30s. Stanley still hovering around 40 degrees because of the cloud cover there, but once the skies clear, I expect that temperature to drop down quite a bit. Temperatures in the 40s across the valley for the most part, 51 in Ontario. However, for this Tuesday, October the 20th, we're forecasting a high of 64. Normal is 63, the record 84 degrees back in 2003, a fairly recent record. As far as precip, yesterday quite a bit. We saw anywhere from 1 to 2 inches in portions of Malheur and Owyhee County, some locations even more than that. And we also saw some flash flooding. Decent amount of rain here in Boise, 0.42, and the average for the date is 0.02, so well above that. For the month we're ahead. We have about 3/4 of an inch of rain, and the average is 0.41, so we're ahead by 0.34. Same thing for the water year, same numbers because the water year began October 1st. Satellite radar map has a trough of low pressure that gave us all the unsettled weather. It's going to be pushing off to the east and to the south, and in its place, that high pressure ridge builds in for some sunny days ahead. You can see generally skies clearing up around the Boise area. Here's our Futurecast computer model as we move it through the time steps. We clear on up throughout the day. Wednesday looking pretty much cloud free. For Thursday though, some clouds move in about 8:50 in the morning, and then a dry cold front moves across our area. Might mean some showers mainly to the northwest of Boise, right around John Day, Baker City. You'll see that on our tight view of the Futurecast. But today we clear up. And then Wednesday looking pretty much cloud free. Here come the clouds Thursday morning. There's the showers, John Day, Baker City, up almost into our west central mountains. And then that's pretty much it. Here's our regional forecast. Mostly cloudy this morning, partly cloudy in the afternoon for Sun Valley, a high of 54. Starting off mostly cloudy, turning partly cloudy. Some patchy fog possible around McCall and Cascade. Otherwise, turning mostly sunny by afternoon. Same story for the western end of the valley with daytime highs in the upper 60s, mid 60s for Canyon County, and pretty close to 64 for Boise. Mostly sunny much of the day. Here's our extended forecast. Some fog to deal with over the next couple mornings for some locations. Other than that, seasonable temperatures, mostly sunny, turning partly cloudy for the weekend. That's Liga weather.